See if he'll do it again.
It's working pretty fast.
What?
It's going pretty fast.
Yeah. It's only on a 1. That's fine.
You are recording this.
Now I am. Did he do it for you? Just keep doing it slowly, you know.
You didn't. Oh wait, kind of.
Isn't that amazing? I love that. Nicholas!
Verizon's offering unlimited talk and text, plus 10 gigs of shareable data. Yeah, 10 gigantic gigs for $80 a month, $15 per month. Data that has for more of what you want on the network.
That's not his lip.
It might be, but he's trying to do it.